Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering precise ingredients and tools to make a consistent enchilada sauce. Use 6 dried ancho or guajillo chilies, 2 cloves garlic, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp oregano, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tsp kosher salt, and 4 cups low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth. Measure with spoons and cups and have a high-speed blender and a fine mesh sieve ready. Preparing all ingredients before heat lets you control spice and toast the dried chilies briefly to release oils and add depth. Hold over medium heat 20-30 seconds per side until fragrant but not burned. Slice to open, shake out seeds and stems, and then simmer in 3 cups boiling broth for 15 minutes until soft and pliable. Keep 1 cup of the soaking liquid for blending. Lightly caramelize 2 cloves garlic and 1 small onion in 2 tablespoon oil while chilies soak. This adds sweetness and balances the chili's bitter top notes. Drain chilies, then combine with sautéed garlic and onion, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp oregano, and 1 cup reserved soaking liquid in a high-speed blender. Puree until smooth. Return the puree to the pan with the remaining 1 cup broth. Simmer gently for 10-12 minutes to concentrate flavor, and season with 1 tsp kosher salt and 1 tsp sugar if needed. Strain through a fine mesh sieve for silky texture. Cool completely, refrigerate up to 1 week, or freeze in 1 cup portions up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.